Hey guys, so, oh my goodness. So, today we are going to be playing Just to Impress, like I promised, and let's do VIP. So, holiday pick. I joined kind of late, so I'm just gonna do this. I'm gonna do like Thanksgiving. This. Sorry, I talked a lot today, so I'm gonna have like this. I can barely talk. Like, oh my god, actually. Like I kind of like that. But like no. Guys, comment down your favorite game, and I'll play the one with the most. The most. So, for example, Brookhaven has the most votes. I'll play Brookhaven, for goodness sake. I don't like it, but I'll do it. If you guys comment down below what you want me to play. Like, oh my god, I don't know what to wear. Like, oh my god, that's cute. And then like, oh wait, that's embarrassing. So like, I'm just gonna get some pants. I have 40 seconds. Just gonna do those. And then a face. Oh my god, I need a face. I'm gonna do this. Face. Oh my god, hair. That's my favorite face. Hair. I have enough time. You know what? No. Coats. Where did my eyebrows right here? And then, okay. Oh, whatever. That's good enough. So I'll be using my Apple Pen. If it even, what in the world? What is happening? Wait. Okay, sorry about that, guys. But, sorry about the coughing. That one's actually really nice. Ooh. That one's nice. She went for a Christmas theme. So, yeah, I think that's gonna win. Like, I like it. Pepper. Ooh, that's cute. In my opinion, I don't like that hair, but her outfit's really cute for Christmas. I feel like I'm gonna get a low rating because it got it every time. OMG, that is actually really slay. I really like Dale's. The one that's in Easter. Oh my god, it's so cute. What up? I like it. Me. Okay, so I wanted to do a lighter color for the other side, but I mean, it's fine. Sorry, I'm outside, by the way. So, it might be really hard to hear me. Windy. This one's nice, but too bright. That is so cute. OMG, that's so cute. Wait, what? That is so cute. No, actually, like, oh my god, that is so slay. I want to give her 5 stars, but like, she doesn't. She deserves it, but like, Valentine's Day. It's cute, but I'm not in the mood for this one. It's not that nice to me. It's fine. I don't really like it though. Sorry about that, guys. That's embarrassing. I'm on my trampoline. Okay, Lily. Oh my God, that's my friend. That's my friend from school. Okay, well, this is embarrassing because her outfit's not that nice. No offense, girl, but like, okay, that's cute, I guess. I'm gonna keep it as a blend though. In my opinion, it's cute, just that me and my friend, like, we hate that hair. Not the friend that's in my game. I keep joining. Of course she won. Yeah. Second place deserves it. I came 5th. Nice. Well, we have time for a couple more rounds. And then we might gotta stop. No. VIP actually gave me luck. Okay, let's get all this out. I want a nice next theme, like Peppy, or like, not that I like Peppy, but like, okay, this is embarrassing. Not that I like pink and Peppy, but like, I mean, it's nice for a theme. Ow. For a theme, it'll be easy. I feel like I could do something with Peppy. But, oh my God, girl. I'm not gonna say it. Shush, girl, shush. Stop saying my name. I will tell her after, because she's gonna be so mad at me tomorrow. Lost the sea. I can do something. I'm so excited. I can do something. Okay, let's not do that. I can do something. Okay, let's get in VIP straight away. So for Lost at Sea, I was thinking that and my skin. Like so you're lost at, oh my God. So you're lost at sea and you see me. What will you do? I'm slaying. Okay. I heard there's a tail coming out that I really need for this. There's a tail coming out. Wait, let's see. Anything in codes I could use. That's not really. Nah, codes doesn't work for this. I actually don't know what to do. What's everybody doing? That's not gonna work out, girl. Okay, I see a long dress. I'm doing long dress. She's VIP, I'm going back to VIP. But I was thinking something that you wouldn't really see my top shirt. Okay, I'm not trying to be sus, guys, but like, it's true. Okay, I can't find anything blue. So I'm gonna have to skip with that. But I have a better idea. So let's go. So that I don't want hair. That girl's not that good. So here was this is what I wanted. Oh my God, I realized there's no, like, I mean, that's nice, but is it, like, this is what I didn't want this, but like, what else? Is she copying me? Okay, yeah, I'm doing this. I'm stuck with this. I'm gonna change my nails. Oh my God, you can get a pattern? I'm getting a water pattern. It's for sure. See, let me see one on my nails. See, I have a water pattern. It's so like. Then at my feet. I will let the dogs out. Me. So I'm pretty much done. Yeah, everybody's doing these. Okay, these look kind of gross though. Like, what are those? Like, ew. I'm gonna change my face. Face. Lost at sea. Wouldn't that be kind of lost at sea? Because, like, I mean, who would have makeup? Okay, I feel like that's lost at sea. No, it's not. Like that's lost at sea now. I'm doing that. That's lost at sea for me. No, I feel like this one's lost at sea. That's lost at sea. No, it's not. Ew. Okay, she's actually kind of right. This is lost at sea, but I'm not doing pink. Ooh, ew. I'm doing this. Guys, should I do this? No. Okay, this was my favorite face of all time. Now my favorite face is this. So I'm doing that. Okay, guys, I'm practically done. Oh my gosh, guys. Girl. Filming. I'm filming. Oh, I hate when this is. So if it bans me for saying YouTube. Go. I have no time for this. Wind, please shush right now. Like, I am trying to film and you're being so annoying. As soon as I start filming, okay, we're good. Let's go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, let's Apple Pencil time. Not with what I was looking for, so look at the one. Don't ask how I got so much cash. It's kind of embarrassing. Like, literally. 5, slay. I'm gonna give that 5 so it's so light. But like, it's less than that. Guys, I think I should edit that out of the video. Wait. I kind of don't want to show you. Maybe this is too much. Sorry. If you're like under 10, I don't want you to spine on me. Maybe you could just skip forward, but I wouldn't. Or maybe you could just go play on your trampoline, or go play outdoors. And then you can come back when I call you. You're like, I don't. Oh my God, wind. I want to cover the. Okay, everybody, look at this. You know what? I'm covering that. Nobody can see that. Okay? Okay, that's kind of... No. know, guys. I don't think you should be looking at that. Okay, see? This is actually, see guys? I like that. She's not inappropriate. She's very appropriate and her outfit is kind of, I like this game, but okay guys, just know, please just know, I'll vote her, but you guys should know, just no. She's out of here. I hope I'm blocking the winners just in case. Okay, so I'll show you. These are the winners that I'm just gonna go like this because they're kind of bad. Well, they're not bad. Their outfits are not probably allowed for your age because whatever age you're watching me at, I doubt it's appropriate for those unless you're like 11 or 12 or teenager. But I doubt those people are watching my videos. My videos are so cringy. And then I saw this sweetest comment in the world once, so I'm just gonna give this video a shout out. She said I deserve more likes on my videos, and I'm so sweet. And she was just being really nice. And I will show that actually at the end of the video. I will show you who that girl is. And I was almost crying. It was so sweet. Like, oh gosh, Queen Hearts. But it was like so sweet, and I was so happy to see that. And it was so sweet. Okay, I have to take my blue skin off. I wanted to try. It was so sweet. Okay, I feel like, okay, maybe I don't feel, there's no good gum. I just do this. And then my nails. Okay. Then, don't mind my brother in the background, but that's actually that for cleaning it. Okay, guys, isn't that cute? But I feel like, ooh, no. Yes, actually. Maybe this, yeah. And then there it is, just gonna be plain black. Okay, I don't want to be too inappropriate for you guys, but I actually want to win. So like, if you're too young to watch this part of the video, I would stay back because I don't want you to have seen it if you're not old enough. Like, just in case your parents sue me. I don't want that. So Queen Hearts isn't. What does she look like? Wait, guys. Wait. Queen of Hearts. Puffy. Okay, feel free. Sorry, guys. I had to. I feel like this. Okay, I feel like no. I'm fine. I need to see what people are doing. Oh my god. Dress hack. Yep, she's just wrong. Like what? Wait, if I do that, yeah, everybody's going for this look. And then I have one choice, okay guys? I have one choice that actually looks like Queen Hearts. Okay guys, this is what I'm doing. And then, my friend told me I'm done. Wait, let's look back at Queen of Hearts. Big Puffy, 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 Puffy. The bottoms, Puffy, the bottom, Puffy, the bottom, Puffy, the bottom, Puffy. Don't mind what I was doing there. The ball, ooh, la 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 la. I just remembered. That is ugly. That is so ugly. I was thinking that, and then I thought I had a better dress. Wait, what? Okay, whatever. We're done. Oh my god, guys. So I'm just gonna show you guys my avatar in VIP, and my voice is gonna be off, by the way. So yeah, you could just stare at my avatar because it's so slay. Yeah. Okay, sorry about that, guys. I was about to add something, but oh shit. Nah, that's not really that good. Oh my god. I thought it was a normal pass. Oh my god, okay, I kind of wanna, okay, I'm jumping. This one. Right now, okay. Hard. It was a face. She did me first. I know that. But yeah. Also, guys, check my community post, because I'm putting out a new community post literally tonight. So keep an eye out for it, because it's coming out like literally right after I film this video. and then second of all, like, blah. So if I fall, I'm actually gonna be so mad. Hey, girl. Okay, guys, so that's all for today. Check my community post. Guys, bye.